Okay, we are now at 10.5. We're going to identify types of triads with key signatures this time. So the accidentals will not be directly on the notes themselves, they'll be in the key signature, and we'll just have to figure it out that way. So, we got to remember that the key signature is going to affect the notes on the staff. I can leave it. Oh yeah, there's a keyboard. Yeah. So, let's take a look at this one first up here. We have our key signature, which has 3 flats on B, E, and A. There's a flat on B and E. I did that backwards, but yeah, B is up top, E is on bottom. If you need to write them in, if that helps you, go for it. So we have E flat, G, and B flat. Let's figure out what that triad's going to be. Remember, we have to figure out what the thirds are. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a major third on bottom. And then we have 1, 2, 3, minor third on top. Major third on bottom, minor third on top. That is our major triad. I'm going to do one that has some extra things in here. So we have this one here. This one's kind of weird. So we got this key signature. We have a B flat and an E flat. Here's our B flat. So for this one, we have B flat, D. I'm going to go ahead and extend this a little bit. There we go. And F sharp. So let's figure out our interval. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a major on the bottom. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. A major on the top. So we got major on top, major on bottom. That means it's going to be augmented. Now for the rest, you should be able to figure out. Remember, we take whatever the key signature is and apply it to the notes in the triad if necessary. If there are no notes that share the accidental, then you'd leave it as is. I'll do one more with one of these naturals in here. Let me go ahead and get rid of this here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to do this one here. Actually, no, we're going to do one that has sharps in the key signature. So that's the very last one here. We are in treble clef. We got a D, F natural, and A. So our sharps are on F, C, and G. The only sharp we have to worry about is one on F because we have a note on F, but it is canceled out by this natural. So we have just all naturals, D, F, and A. D, F, A. So let's figure out our intervals, our thirds. 1, 2, 3, minor third. 1, 2, 3, 4, major third. Minor third on bottom, major third on top. That makes it a minor triad. And that is 10.5. Triads with key signatures, the same way we've been doing. All that we're changing is that we're using the key signature to figure out what our accidentals are.